Hi everyone, in this video I want to share with you my method for determining contiguous leads on a 12-lead ECG. Now remember, contiguous leads are leads that go together to form a particular view at the heart. But on a 12-lead they're kind of random and all over, so we need a method so we can remember which leads go together to look at a particular part of the heart. This is my method. Now, I'm from Chicago. And if you travel anywhere in the world and you tell someone you're from Chicago, right away they think of this.
Listen, Buster, you better be kidding.
Yeah, gangster. I don't blame him. We got Capone. So, there was one particular Chicago gangster though that I remember, and his name was Sal Two Times. Now remember, Sal is a gangster, which means he's a thief and a liar. So, Sal Two Times says everything twice. And he's a thief and a liar. Let's pop up a 12-lead here, and we're going to pop this information into our 12-lead, moving from the top left to right. Now, sometimes Sal will say a big lie, L-I-I. Sometimes Sal will tell a little lie, L-I. And if the cops arrest him and have him spell his name for the police report, remember he's going to say everything twice. S-S-A-A-L-L. And those are your contiguous leads. 2 times Sal. If we look at all the L's, well, that's going to give us our lateral view. If we look at all the A's, gives us our anterior view. If we look at all the I's, we have our inferior view. And if we look at the S's, we have our septal view. Now, I've been doing these videos long enough to know that some people like my methods, and for those that don't like my methods,
You're not to approve of your methods.
Yeah? Well, you're not from Chicago.
I'm Mark. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. For the love of God, stop already.